Welcome back to the Keboola Getting Started tutorial series. In our previous videos, we successfully loaded data into Keboola and transformed it using SQL. Now, our Keboola storage contains a new table named Opportunities Denorm. This tutorial will show you how to write such transformed data back into an external destination, such as Google Sheets. Let's have a look at it. To begin, navigate to the Components section and click Add Component. This time, we're interested in the data destination components, which allow us to export tables from Keboola storage to an external destination. For this example, we'll use Google Sheets. Click Connect to My Data and name the configuration appropriately. This is a separate configuration from the one we used to import data, so you'll need to authorize your Google account again. After authorization, Keboola will gain the necessary permissions to create and edit spreadsheets in your Google Drive. Then click New Sheet and select the source table you wish to export, such as Opportunities Denorm. Decide whether to create a new spreadsheet or update an existing one. In this case, we'll create a new spreadsheet and name it Opportunities Denorm. You can also edit the title of the specific sheet within the spreadsheet. Choose whether to overwrite the entire table or append new rows, which is useful for incremental data updates. Once configured, save the sheet settings. Keboola will create the new spreadsheet in your Google Drive. After executing the job, you can check the Google Sheet to see the data from Keboola now present in the spreadsheet. In this video, we demonstrated how to export transformed data from Keboola to Google Sheets, making your data accessible and easy to share. This capability is crucial for integrating Keboola's powerful data processing with external tools like Google Sheets. In our next sessions, we will explore further automation techniques to streamline your data workflows even more. Stay tuned for more tutorials on the Keboola platform.